today to Keipene, the capital of Latvian film history. In this charming town located in the Ogre region, you'll discover a hidden gem, the world's only publicly accessible exposition dedicated to the great filmmaker, director Sergei Eisenstein. Let's embark on a 5-minute cinematic adventure through the fascinating Keipene railway station. The film station, situated in the former railway station premises, was brought to life by the passionate team and associates of the renowned Arsenal's Film Festival. Imagine this, a surreal train journey to Keipene, where each trip added a new element or installation to this creative hub. It's a meeting place for movie legends, featuring a colossal table and chairs. As you wander across the tracks, a tunnel adorned with 24 film frames pays tribute to the very first film ever made. And there, on the platform's edge, the Latvian and Spanish flags flutter proudly in the wind. Step into the station's waiting room, where you will be captivated by the exposition dedicated to the visionary director Sergei Eisenstein. Immerse yourself in the language of cinema, explore the history of this art form, and indulge in the slightly surreal feeling of being transported through time. But wait, there's more. Venture underground and discover the remarkable Potyomkin's Well, an 8-meter-long and 4-meter-wide underground exhibition hall, highlighting the iconic battleship Potyomkin. The Keipene railway station, established in 1937, marked the creation of the Riga-Ergli railway line. And here's something truly special. The only preserved section of the former Riga-Ergli train route can be found right here in Keipene.
This art installation is called Table of Giants, and we'll try to go up there.
Fast forward to the Arsenal's Film Festival in 2000, where Keipene witnessed even more cinematic marvels. A land lighthouse adorned with an aeronautical fire and 66 mailboxes honoring world cinema pioneers were constructed near the Eisenstein Communication Center.
This art installation behind me is called 24-Frame Tunnel, which is dedicated to the first film in the world done by the Lumière brothers, which is L'arrivée d'un train en gare de la Ciotat.
If you are in the area, a stopover to explore the magic of Keipene is a must, where Latvian film history comes alive. It's a place where art, cinema, and railway heritage intertwine, creating an unforgettable experience. So come, lose yourself in the enchantment of this off-the-beaten track and immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Latvian film history.